Hey guys, the reason I have this camera on right now is, I just heard a thunder, and I'm hoping I can hear it again. I'm hoping I can catch this on this camera again. I heard it, but unfortunately I didn't have the camera, so I'm gonna see if it'll happen again, and, we'll see. So I'll catch you guys back in a while, alright? If it happens again, I hope it happens again. I'm gonna see if it'll happen again. Just gotta listen. I don't know if you guys heard it, but there was some thunder out here. Hence the term thunder snow. Look at this. There was some thunder. And there was, I'll tell you, the first time I heard it, and I'll tell you, this is my first time actually seeing thunder snow in person. Like, I don't know if you guys know that, but it is my first time seeing it in person. Crazy. Look at this. I better turn this off for a minute. I'm telling you. Let me just turn this off for a minute.